What is up, everybody? In this video, we're going to be talking about what I think is the best engine bay dressing on the market right now. Let's get right into it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. As always, I'd like to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. Everybody, I'm doing the engine bay on my Honda right now, and I realized I've never made a video on what I think is the best engine bay dressing out. The Koch Chemie Motorplast. You guys, this stuff is absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. This is my third bottle, and I was kind of surprised when I realized I never made a video on it. I had to go back through all my videos. I thought I had made a video on it, but I didn't. So check this out. So just got done doing the engine bay on my Honda. I'm going to give it a quick rinseless, but I wanted to do the engine bay because it was getting bad. I'll throw a quick little video up if you guys want to see me cleaning the engine bay. But yes, you saw me cleaning the engine bay. It is done. I'm going to be making a video on this IK Foam Pro 12 because this thing is sick. And I used it for the first time on this. I wanted to test it out, get a little feedback from it before I made the video on it. So, yeah, we got the engine bay cleaned up, and it's time to dress it. And we're going to be using the Koch Chemie Motorplast. Now, this stuff right here is absolutely just fantastic, and it's very, very easy to use. I don't even need to really read the instructions. It's very simple. You just after you clean the engine bay while it's still kind of damp, I like to blow out a lot of the heavy puddles of water but still leave it kind of wet. And the direction, I'll go over the directions for some of you guys that want to know the direction. You can spray this wet or dry. I like to leave it a little bit damp because with a little bit of water where it pools, it'll kind of help disperse it out. I did put it in an IK spray bottle because this mists really fine, and I like to get it misted pretty finely. Missed a few spots over here. That's fine. This was just it's going to be like 105 degrees today, so I'm trying to get this thing done. But I wanted to share this with you guys. So very, very simple. As you guys can see here, I got my IK spray bottle filled with my Motorplast. Nope, we do not want a steady stream. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in and just mist it all over everything. The reason why I like this IK sprayer is because it mists very, very finely. And you can put this all over everything, guys. It's like Frank's Red Hot. And this will put a little protective layer over everything. Even the metal, the hoses, everything. Just like so. Just come in and that's pretty much it. Just like that. Come in and you just mist it all over the engine bay. And then what you do is you close the hood and you go around and finish washing your car. You give it 15-20 minutes to basically level out. You open the hood and it looks amazing. Now there may be some areas like right over here where it's kind of pooled up that you'll have to come in and kind of pick up and clean up just a little bit, but for the most part it is pretty much self-leveling. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get the rest of the car rinseless. I'm just gonna do a quick rinseless on this thing, and we're gonna come back and I'll show you guys the final product and why I love Motorplast so much. All right, everybody, So went ahead and got this thing rinsed, this washed. Went ahead and popped the hood and check this out. It looks amazing. Now, what I was saying was where it would pull up a little bit over here on the air box. You'll have to come in and kind of just grab a towel and kind of just level out spots that kind of pulled up a little bit. Nothing crazy at all. That's why I like to come and blow out. Like kind of blow out where the water kind of pools up. And then come in and give it a nice little wipe. And it just levels out beautifully. A few little like right around here, you know, just come pick up a few things. But check that out. Looks absolutely amazing. Up here, that's going to dry a little bit. Check out that engine bay. Looks phenomenal, and it's very minimal work. You just come in and mist it all over everything. And then you come back, you let it dry. See, it makes all the hoses look real nice and rich. Oh yeah. Just knock down where it kind of pulls up a little bit. And then you got yourself a nice, clean, dressed, and protected engine bay. So everybody, that is the Koch Chemie Motorplast, my favorite, which I think is one of the best engine dressings that's out there. It protects everything, like makes everything look nice. Even the metal puts a little protective layering over everything. Super easy to use. It smells amazing. Self levels 98% of the time. Just like those little spots you got to touch up and pull up. That pull up and build the product up in that. That's about it. But you guys saw it's very, very simple, and it makes the engine bay looks amazing. And I'm pretty sure we'll gain at least 10 horsepower from that. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Motorplast, one of my absolute favorite engine dressings after doing the engine bay. So check it out. I think I got it for under 20 bucks. I'll put a link down in the description for you guys to check it out. If you want to check Motorplast out for yourself, I appreciate all you guys that take the time out of the day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. I hope all you guys out there have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. I'm going to catch you guys all on the next video.